Kamal Dhamal Malamal is the story of Johnny, aka Bakri, the son of a farmer, an idiot and a coward, one who is petrified and is a man boy who is simply afraid of everything and everyone. He has two purposes in life. One, to get beaten up by every single person in his village from a child to an adult, and the other is to buy lottery tickets every week so that he can become a crorepati. The one bright spot in his life is his love Maria, the daughter of the village bully and sworn enemy of his father. This man happens to be Paresh Rawal, who goes to extreme lengths to make sure his daughter and Johnny never marry. The reason for this is too convoluted for me to get into, so I'm not going to. In fact, the movie goes from one convoluted plot to another without making any sense. Anyways, one fine day, Lady Luck decides to show favor to Johnny, and so there comes a blessing in disguise for him in the form of Nana Patekar, who is not only the strong, expressionless and silent type, but also the very, very hungry type. What happens next is supposed to be complete dhamal, replete with action, laughs and drama, but no siree, no such luck for the viewer. With a star cast comprising of Nana Patekar, Om Puri, Paresh Rawal, Shreyas Talpade and directed by Priyadarshan, you would be justified in expecting a super dhamal movie that is Kamal and rakes in the mal. But Kamal Dhamal Malamal, a remake of a Malayalam blockbuster film, does no such thing. In fact, 15 minutes into the movie, you want to walk out of the cinema hall. Kamal Dhamal Malamal should have been named interminable, boring, disappointing. Shreyas Talpade, the actor, does okay, but as Johnny, his character, he is irritating to the point where you want to slap him and ask him to grow some balls. Om Puri, Nana Patekar and Paresh Rawal can't perform badly even if they wanted to, so they live up to expectations, but these kings of entertainment cannot save KDM. Newbie Madhurima, who essays Maria, is fair. Asrani, Shakti Kapoor, Neeraj Vohra and the rest of the cast are strictly okay. Priyadarshan has given us many hits and many comedies, but he is losing his magic touch, and this film has no tale to tell. The music, like the rest of the movie, you're most likely to forget. The saving grace of KDM is R. Ganesh, who has shot it beautifully. There is no Kamal, Dhamal or Malamal in this zero-star movie. Instead, you are subjected to a halal of your senses, total bakwas, and you will come out more kangal from when you entered the theatre, since it is not paisa vasool. So watch this Fika Fair at your risk. Don't say you haven't been warned. For more reviews, interviews and much more gossip and entertainment, please stay logged on to filmsofindia.com.